This is my 2024 Ford Maverick, and today I am reviewing these mud flaps I picked up. Overall, they seem nice. I ordered my Maverick Lariat, didn't add one single option other than the azure gray color. Didn't add mud flaps or tonneau cover, any stuff I could add later. I left off just trying to get it built quicker, and it seems to have worked. You never know what's going to slow down production. But yeah, these seem really nice. They come all the way over here. All this is from before we got the mud flaps, so they're really helping with winter time here in California, but they come all the way over. They're nice rigid plastic. They do kind of sit against the body, so you probably want to get some PPF film here to put here so they don't end up scratching your paint, but that's going to be an issue on any mud flap. You can see all the mud they are collecting right here, and they go all the way over. The only thing is, I think the factory ones have like a little steel bracket, so this is kind of loose over here. There's no real brace or anything, but should be fine. They go in with these little pop clips right here. These are easy. You just take a screwdriver or a trim removal tool, pop them out, the little part right here, pull it out, then do it. They also came with longer ones, but I just reused the factory. So there's two of those. Then at the bottom, there's these two 7mm hex head screws. So they came with ones that you can screw in, but I didn't reuse them. But it is nice that they come with longer ones if needed. Just get, try to keep some of that dirt off a nice truck, keep it nice longer. So the backs are really nice, and they seem good. And then you go to the front, check these out. And they provide good coverage as well. You can see they don't stick out too far, just even with the tire. You can see they're helping right here. So all this mud right here would have been up along the body. You can see again, I had it a few days before we got it, and all this mud splattering, and now it's stopping it. These again, same thing. They got 1, 2, and 3 little push pins. This only takes like 5-10 minutes to put these on. Super simple, and it adds a little protection. Again, you're going to want to put a little like clear PPF or something in between here. You see right there, so you don't want it eventually rubbing on the paint too much, but it sticks out good enough. But yeah, I hope this video helps with your buying decision.